Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger Websites Builder and want to run Facebook and Instagram ads, track results and retarget visitors in 2026, this is the clean and realistic setup that actually works. Important truth, Facebook ads do not connect directly to Hostinger Websites Builder. They connect through Metapixel plus basic page-based conversions within builder limits. So most people fail because they try to set this up like WordPress or Shopify, so we will not do that. In this guide, I will show you how to connect Hostinger Websites Builder to Facebook ads in 2026 like a pro, what works, what doesn't, and the smartest strategies. Okay, so first thing first, create a Metapixel. So this is required. Go to Meta Business Manager, open Events Manager, click Connect Data Sources, choose Web, then Metapixel, then name your pixel and copy your pixel ID and base code. So you will need this to track visitors. Now, install Metapixel on Hostinger Websites Builder. Okay, we have the option A and option B. The option A is the best, so native Metapixel field. Okay, so log in to Hostinger H panel. Okay, go to websites, then edit websites. You have to upgrade your account first. Okay, then open website settings, integrations, and if you see Metapixel, paste your Metapixel ID, save, and then publish. This installs the pixel site wide. Okay, so then verify. Okay, so go to test events, enter your website URL, open sites in incognito mode or browse pages. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.